This video is going to be really special for all of you. You have been asking me since a long time to bring up a video on G-Shock 2025. Well, I decided that once all of the things are released by the official G-Shock website, only then I would bring up a video about contribution and other things. But I can see that you all want me to talk about some basic things about G-Shock, even if the contribution period hasn't started. You want me to talk about what are campus ambassador applications, and that if you are still at a chance of contributing at G-Shock, and that campus ambassador and G-Shock are same or not, and so many other things. So on your demand, I have come up with a video of G-Shock, and in this video, I will be talking about the official G-Shock website and what are they offering at present. So I will take you right into my computer screen, and here we are going to understand G-Shock step by step, and that how can G-Shock benefit all of us. And watch this video till the very end, and this is not going to be a very long video, so I will try to wrap up everything in very short as possible. So what is G-Shock? You might have seen my previous video, Girl Script Summer of Code. It happens every year, 2 to 3 months and then 1 month long. Last year in 2024, it happened in two steps. The first was official G-Shock, that was 2 to 3 months long open source contribution project. The second was G-Shock Extended, that was 1 month long open source contribution, that was like an extended time period of G-Shock on the demand of students who were asking the G-Shock community to extend their participation in G-Shock period. So in 2025, let's see that what they're offering on their website. Let's check it out. So this is the website of G-Shock, which is quite different from what it was last year. Last year it was orange and white, a mix of these. And this year they have totally changed the interface of the entire website. So as you can see here, CA Applications Live. CA is Campus Ambassador Applications. I think you all might know what campus ambassador applications are because I've covered it in very much detail in my previous video. And if you have not seen it, then I assure you that if you will check the video, you will not just understand what campus ambassador is, but also you will learn about new opportunities in different companies about campus ambassador. But about this video. So campus ambassador applications are live, not G-Shock applications as a contributor. If you see, here they have explained in one of their videos the launch of Girl Script Summer of Code. You can watch this video and pretty much everything will be understood by you. Let's turn on this video and I'll show you something here. Any idea how to apply as a contributor? And the official team replied, we will soon release form for applying as a contributor. Stay tuned. So, trust me, do not worry that G-Shock applications have not started as of now. They will start sometime soon and you will apply then. And I will post a video right when they launch the contribution applications telling you all about how to apply, and even about that when you are selected as a contributor, how you can contribute and be ranked at their topmost on their leaderboard. Let's check out the applications for campus ambassador programs. So we need to log in this part. Yes, so this is the application form for campus ambassador. Represent your campus as a part of the largest open source contribution, G-Shock. So what is a campus ambassador and what you will be doing is, in this part, a brief overview again in this video. You have to promote to people that they should participate in G-Shock. You have to send referrals, bring people who will join G-Shock through your links, through your generated IDs. And the main motive of this would be that the G-Shock want to increase their reach. They want to bring more and more contributors who can participate in this part. This is not going to be an official contribution. You won't get any leaderboard score or something. This is just about promoting what G-Shock is, bringing more people into G-Shock. And I want you to comment down below if you have already applied as a campus ambassador for G-Shock, or if you are thinking to apply, because I want to see that are you applying as a campus ambassador or all of you want to participate as a contributor only. Now, for those people who actually want to participate and apply for these campus ambassador application, I'll make you go through this application form for once. You need to fill your name and this about section. What you can write is, I'll keep it generalized. I won't talk about my content creation journey. So if I am about to fill this form for you, I'm not a content creator. So what I would write: Hi, my name is Parul Prashar. I am a second year student at this university pursuing computer engineering. I am experienced in these tech stacks. I know front end development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have created clones of websites. I have won one hackathon. I have created fully functional front end model of websites with JavaScript integrated into it. Well, this is enough if you want to talk about yourself. So, all this information you can fill in yourself. Yes, if you have a LinkedIn ID, then you can definitely fill your LinkedIn ID and GitHub ID as well. Even if your IDs are not good, if you have created these IDs, definitely put out the links over here because it would create a strong impact. Then, promotion plan. This is something very important when it comes to becoming a campus ambassador. Campus ambassador, as I told you, it is about promoting the company. So, what will you write in promotion plan? You will write that I am a second year student. I have many societies in my university. I plan to forward this in my university groups and bring a lot of referrals. Since it is summer vacations, a number of students who are looking out for opportunities will definitely take part in G-Shock in their open source contribution. Then, if you have a YouTube channel like me, then I am a content creator on YouTube. I will tell people to take part in G-Shock and contribute, and this will increase referrals. Then you can tell that I'm there on LinkedIn. I will post to my connections. I have these many connections. Then again, many people will follow and become an open source contributor in G-Shock. There are other skills as well. If you do not have any of these things, what you can tell? I am someone who is very good at explaining and negotiating. I can easily explain people what G-Shock is. I will bring referrals easily. I can ask people to join it and they would join. My friends and every other person who I tell to join, you can write these things. Then comes the previous experience. If you have a previous experience of promoting any other events, like I have been Internshala student partner. If you have been something like that, you can tell that I have been into this campus ambassador program. These were my roles. I brought these many referrals. This was the impact of my work. Basically, you have to talk that why should they select you? If they select you, can you bring referrals or is it just a waste of time for them? And then you can submit your application. This is only for campus ambassador programs, not for open source contribution. When the form for open source contribution is released, I will bring up a video for that also. But now you can see their timeline as well. Nothing is released. They're not telling anything. See, just community bonding period starts 23rd June. Coding period starts to be announced. Leaderboard to be announced. Everything is not shared. So don't worry, I'll bring up a video for all of you and everything is shared by the official G-Shock community. And this time it is not just you who are going to participate in G-Shock, but I as well. And we will compete this year and see who performs better. And this I feel is going to be a very good competition to develop our skills. And I will meet you once everything is released officially from G-Shock. When everything is confirmed, I will bring up a detailed video. But as of now, I feel that your doubts are cleared. If you still feel something that you are not sure about, definitely comment down below. I will resolve your doubts. And this time, all of us will participate in G-Shock and upskill ourselves and make the best out of our college journeys. Thank you and bye.